Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to play YouTube music without a subscription on Android Auto. So normally I'd be like, hey, play songs by Red.
Sure, playing Red on YouTube Music. To do that on YouTube, you'll need to sign up for YouTube Music Premium at youtube.com/musicpremium.
So it's like, hey, you need a subscription to be able to do this. You need YouTube Premium or whatever, which is silly. So just bring up your phone, go to YouTube Music, whatever is on here. You don't need premium or anything. And now watch. Play songs by Red.
Playing Red on YouTube Music.
When your hotel room is your bedroom and your living room and your dining room,
so it'll play it. All you have to do is open the YouTube Music app. You don't even need any songs on here. You don't need the subscription. You don't need any of that. All you have to do is open up the app on your phone that you're AirPlaying off of, or your Android Auto off of, and it's good to go. So no premium subscription necessary, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.